classic aircraft. Think you know it? Are you sure? How flexible are you? Takeoff, landing. Are you ready to take a new direction, step by step?
Well, the project name Realize is not just short for the official title Runway Independent Automatic Launch and Landing System. It also addresses the meaning behind the word realize in terms of the first realization of the technology concept on the one hand, on the other hand also realize in the sense of, hey, look what we've created and what it might do for your application.
Let go. Free yourself from fixed locations, surfaces, infrastructures. Ready for takeoff.
The system is completely independent of any infrastructure. We can use the rail system anywhere. It's inexpensive and can be operated automatically or by remote control.
For the future of mobility and for the flexibility aviation needs, now more than ever.
Such a system is especially suitable for all kinds of long-range missions where the UAV has to really stay in the air for quite some time. Another prominent example is the case of wildfire spotting, to identify those very early on.
It's quite easy to exchange the drones because for each drone we have an own adapter and the adapter can be changed within a few moments.
Ready for the next journey?
It's the first time that such a demonstrator is built and put in place worldwide. Hamburg is a perfect place for such a project because it brings together the expertise of small and medium-sized companies and universities, almost all of them located in the metropolitan area of Hamburg.
Now we'll move ahead to scale it up and mature the technology concept. We already started a customer-oriented project together with a manufacturer of solar electric aircraft, and we are preparing the ground for further development activities towards a highly automated and infrastructure-independent ground operation of air vehicles.
Get on track. Realize the mobile landing system.